Hi guys, we received these very nice old-fashioned whiskey glasses, which is a set of two that gets two Slate coasters for viewing purposes, and well, I quite like whiskey, so it's nice to have one of these sets. Has this really nice volcanic design on the box, which is really nice. So let's first take it out of the box. Okay, first thing we see is this little cloth to clean them, to dry them, which is nice. It's a really nice color and really nice texture. I'm gonna put it back to back and I'm gonna use it right now. And these two really nice Slate coasters, they are for rock, and they have these plugs so you don't scratch your surface. This, it's a pack of two glasses, so you get two coasters. And now, what really matters most, the old-fashioned glass. It's perfect to the hand. They can be really well protected, which is nice. As you can see, they have this beautiful mountain-like design in the inside, which I really like. It's awesome, and let's try them. I got my delicious old number 7 right here. Something like that. It smells amazing. So they look really nice with your whiskey on them. They look great. They're quite nice. I love the coasters. They're really nice. They have this volcanic style of texture, which is really amazing. I quite like them. They're great. I will actually really recommend this. See ya.